Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm here today to show you my new reborn Titanoboa. Unfortunately it is retired, but I was lucky enough to find this on eBay and purchase it. I really love it. It is able to be bent into any shape at all except for the last 2.5 centimeters of the tail. The head is made of a hard plastic, whereas the body is very soft and malleable. Titanoboa is an extinct genus of giant snake that lived during the Middle and Late Paleocene. I'm going to straighten it out and see what else I can do with it. And here it is with a large coil. It could grow up to 12.8 meters, perhaps even longer, and weigh up to 1,135 kilograms. Titanoboa is longer than a bus, eats crocodiles, and makes the anaconda look like a garter snake. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Milk snake, they are able to vibrate their tails to sound like a rattlesnake to scare away predators. Blue coral snake, it has the largest venom glands of any snake, which extend more than 1/4 of its body length. Amazon tree boa, they are ambush hunters that use their excellent vision to hunt during the day and their infrared receptors to hunt at night. They grow to about 2 meters in length. Emerald tree boa, they are non-venomous arboreal snakes. They use their prehensile tail to hold on to tree branches. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Coral snake feed on other smaller snakes, both harmless and venomous. They also eat lizards, especially small skinks. They are also known to be cannibalistic. Titanoboa is thought to have been semi-aquatic. It was an apex predator, and its diet consisted primarily of fish and the odd crocodile. Based on the size of the vertebrae, Titanoboa is the largest snake in the paleontological record. Western diamondback rattlesnake. The venom is mainly hemotoxic, which means it attacks the victim's blood system. They are ambush predators that eat small mammals, birds, amphibians, invertebrates, and fish. Eastern diamondback snake. They are the largest rattlesnake in the United States. Their venom is lethal to humans. It is an excellent swimmer and can be found in salt water. They can live for over 20 years. Coral snake have small fixed fangs at the front of their mouths. They chew on their prey to inject venom. Rough green snake, they get their name from their rough-looking scales that stand out at a slight angle. They are excellent swimmers and often use water to escape predators. Chain king snake, they use quick, jerky movements so that their bands flash, startling predators. King snakes are known for eating other snakes, including venomous species. In modern constrictors like boids and pythonids, increased body size is achieved through larger vertebrae rather than an increase in the number of bones making up the skeleton, allowing for length estimates based on individual bones. Based on comparison between the undistorted Titanoboa vertebrae and the skeleton of modern boas, scientists were able to work out the actual length of Titanoboa. Cobra. They are venomous snakes that are known for their hoods and ability to strike with their hollow fangs. They are found in Africa, Asia, and Southeast Asia. They are long, smooth-scaled snakes, and they have larger scales on their heads. The pupils are round. The hollow fangs are located at the front of their upper jaw. They can grow to be up to 2 meters long, but the king cobra can grow to be 4 to 5 meters in length. They can be black, dark brown, or yellowish white in color. They are active during the day and hunt for cold-blooded prey like snakes. They are oviparous. They will build nests using leaves and branches to protect their eggs. Cobras will raise their body, spread their hood, and hiss loudly to scare off threats. Green anaconda. Considering their mass and length, the green anaconda is the largest snake in the world. Their eyes and nostrils are located on top of the anaconda's large, narrow head, enabling it to breathe while the rest of its body is submerged. The body is exceptionally stocky compared to other boas and extremely muscular. They have spots with yellow ochre color running along the sides of its body. It averages a length of 6 meters and a diameter of 30 centimeters. The longest specimen on record was 11.4 meters. The weight of Titanoboa was determined by comparing it to the extant green anaconda and southern rock python, resulting in a weight of over 1,000 kilograms. This size far exceeds any modern-day snakes. Black mamba, they're actually brown. They move very fast and their bite is known as the kiss of death. They are diurnal. Females will lay up to 20 eggs at once. Red-bellied black snake are venomous, but bites are rare. They grow to 2.5 meters in length. Brown snake, they are found in Australia. They live in a variety of habitats and are usually found in long grass. They are highly venomous and can be dangerous to humans. Cobra, since they don't have teeth, they actually eat their prey whole. Green tree python, they are arboreal, spending most of their time up in the trees. They live in tropical forests in Australasia. Corn snake are constrictors, wrapping themselves around prey to squeeze and subdue it before swallowing it whole. Sidewinder, they have upturned scales above their eyes that resemble horns. These protect the eyes from the sun. They move across the sand in an S-shaped curve. The Titanoboa's skull showed that it had multiple adaptations to a piscivorous diet. including the anatomy of the palate, the tooth count, and the anatomy of the teeth themselves. Rattlesnake. This is another bendable one. All rattlesnakes are vipers. Boa constrictor. They have special heat-sensing pits on their faces that allow them to detect the body heat of their prey. Boas are nocturnal hunters. They rely on heat-sensing abilities to hunt in the dark. Like all snakes, boas are excellent swimmers, but they usually avoid going into the water as much as possible. They have vestigial limbs, which appear as spurs on either side of the cloaca. Green anaconda. It is typically dark green with oval black spots. They are extremely muscular. Black mamba. They live in the savannas and rocky hills of southern and eastern Africa. Titanoboa died out around 58 to 60 million years ago, so its dominance was fairly brief in geological terms. Scientists aren't quite sure but believe that climate change meant these large reptiles could not maintain their metabolism. Basilisk. It's made of a soft plastic and it's nicely detailed and well painted. Running through its length is a metal rod that can be bent or curled into a pose. Two baby snakes. The coral snake is stunning. Rattlesnake use their tongue tips to taste the air, ground or water. Green tree snake. These are native to many parts of Australia. They are non-venomous, large-eyed and diurnal. Yellow ball python. They are not venomous and don't have fangs, so a bite may not be as severe as other snake bites. Albino Burmese python. They are very rare. Albinism is a genetic mutation in the DNA where the body does not produce melanin, which is pigment. And here's Titanoboa again. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.